When we say that somebody's all thumbs, we're saying basically they're a klutz. But I wrote a book called All Thumbs in order to help you play with well-coordinated piano technique. Why did I write an entire book about the thumb? Well, because the thumb is so different from the other fingers. When we try to make it the same as the other fingers, it limits it. When we make it different, when we help it opposed to the finger, that's when it becomes a tremendously powerful piano playing digit. So we're going to use the thumb to stand up. We're going to use the thumb to move the hand to new positions. We're going to use the thumb even to rotate in and spring up. And the opposite, the thumb's tremendous power comes from its thenar group muscle, and when you use it fully, it transforms the entire hand.